Now go to Adjustment Layer, and select the Curve tool. Ctrl+I to inverse mask. Now select the Bus tool and foreground color white. And paint on image you want to dark. Now select Ellipse tool and drag the image. And Ctrl+T transform Ellipse tool. And set the stroke 26 pixels white color. Now Ellipse tool layer rasterize layer. Now select the eraser tool and erase the stroke. Now go to Adjustment Layer and select the Drop Shadow. And set the parameter according to your image. Now go to Adjustment Layer, select Solid Color Yellow. Now Blending Mode Overlay. Now Ctrl+I invert mask. And select Brush tool and paint on your image face to nice glow effect. And set the opacity 25% or your image according set opacity.